Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make green beans, tofu, and beef stir fry. The ingredients that you need are some ground beef, I'm using a pound. Tofu, I'm using the medium firm tofu. A clove of garlic. 1 shallot. Half of an onion. Green beans, and for the seasonings you'll need oyster sauce, Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, sugar, salt, and pepper. First, cut your tofu into small cubes. Make sure to wash your green beans and then cut off the ends. And then go ahead and break them into 2-inch pieces. Peel your onion and shallot and dice them like so. Also make sure to peel and mince your garlic. In a pan on medium heat, go ahead and add your onion, shallots, and minced garlic. Saute that all for about 1 minute. Add in the ground beef, making sure to break up the chunks. And then cook until no longer pink. Next, add in the green beans, season with 3 tablespoons of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of the Golden Mountain seasoning sauce, about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of sugar, and go ahead and mix that in well. Then you're going to add in your tofu. Season with another tablespoon of oyster sauce, seasoning sauce, sugar, and black pepper. Make sure to taste as you go and adjust to your liking. And that's it. Enjoy with the side of white rice.